5 healing juices to alleviate rheumatoid arthritis pain. 1. Apple, garlic, and parsley juice. The combination of ingredients in this natural juice make an anti-inflammatory and antioxidant drink that eases the negative symptoms of arthritis. Moreover, this juice contains folic acid, vitamins B and C, as well as potassium and calcium, which are all necessary to strengthen cartilage and joints. 2. Celery and pineapple juice. This juice is a diuretic drink that causes the body to flush out liquids in order to reduce inflammation in the body tissues. It's also a source of essential vitamins and minerals such as vitamins A, B, C and E, sodium, potassium, calcium, magnesium, iron. Including it regularly in your diet eases joint pain and regulates electrolytes in the body. 3. Cucumber and onion juice. This juice doesn't taste so great, but it's worth trying because of its beneficial properties. Moreover, it's a powerful diuretic and anti-inflammatory that causes the body to flush out liquids. It also eases joint pain. Furthermore, the sulfur compounds found in onions protects against oxidative damage and imbalances in the inflammatory process of the body. 4. Apple and celery juice. Apples are another healthy vegetable that helps treat rheumatoid arthritis. This juice contains vitamin A and important quantities of magnesium and potassium. Furthermore, it helps to improve the body's immune system response, and also helps the body flush out liquids. 5. Papaya and orange juice. Papaya contains powerful enzymes that control inflammation and ease pain. In addition, the vitamin C from the oranges in this juice provides it with even more powerful properties. This is because vitamin C increases the production of collagen to protect the joints. It's important to understand that the drinks mentioned here are a dietary supplement that helps to fight against this rheumatoid arthritis. In other words, its properties do not completely cure all the symptoms of rheumatoid arthritis. They also can't replace the medication prescribed by doctors for this condition. If you think this information is interesting, share it with your Facebook and Twitter friends. I like the video and subscribe to our channel.